Well, we got one right here, so.
So this here, well, we're changing out all the logs. This here is where somebody came before and they slapped a piece of siding on, which is here. But this log is rotten way back in. And, you know, I would have never done that. I would have changed the whole log out. And so now we're back changing out bad logs, and we're going to put brand new solid logs in like that. So we've got a little log replacement going on. We're blasting this house off, and we're going to put permit chink with the clear top coat. This place will look great. We'll keep you posted.